Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can perform a slow zoom effect on your video in Final Cut Pro. So as you can see, we have a video of myself on screen, and essentially what we want to do is slowly zoom closer to my face as the video goes on. Now, to be able to do this, we need to make sure that we have the clip selected, and our playhead, which is this line right here, is at the start of where we want to start the zoom in action. Now from here, what we want to do is select the transform tool, go up to the top left where we can see the keyframe marker, and add our first keyframe. Once we've done that, we'll notice that the position, rotation, and all of the scaling properties are now marked to be keyframed. And what we want to do is we want to drag our playhead to the point where we want to stop zooming in. And then once we've done that, we actually want to go ahead and measure how far we want to actually zoom in. So I'm going to click on my video right here, zoom out a little bit so I can see all of the transform rectangle. And basically what I'm going to do now is drag this rectangle to the point where it zooms in to where I'm comfortable, and I'm going to drag that down just a little bit just to make my face fit on the screen. And if we put the playhead all the way back to the start, and if we click play, we can see that the effect is now slowly zooming towards my face as the clip goes on. Not the most pleasant picture of myself, but there we go. That is how you create that slow moving effect using keyframes in Final Cut Pro.